Alright, so you have downloaded 3teen on Steam bars. Next step is figuring out how to actually use 3teen. First step is your mouse. Right click is how you rotate him, right? If you press this button, you can move him up and down with the same buttons. Oh wait, Uncle Brandon, when you did that, I saw Japanese. Have no fret. Anyone that doesn't speak Japanese, don't worry, I got you covered. So, press this setting thing right here, right? You're gonna go to the top right, it says system. You press that, the first drop down, English. Save setting. But Uncle Brandon, my VRM doesn't look like your VRM. Don't worry about it. If you look in the link of this description, I have dropped 2 Vipe heroes. These Vipe heroes are fully rigged and ready to go. All you do is press this little crowd of people, the avatar selection, press this plus button, find wherever the file you just downloaded or whatever file you're gonna use, find the location of that, select, this is one of the girls, this is the girl that I dropped. If you want a girl, she's down there. She looks like this. And for anyone watching and curious, I own the IP rights for these 2 characters. I am giving you permission to use them. If you want to have, go have fun with them. I want you to be able to create with VRMs just like I do. Alright, so you have your VRM in and ready to go. If you click the top right, you have face tracking, which if you have a webcam, turn this on, it'll copy your face. This is the main one you want to pay attention to. If you want the Vipe to talk when you talk, press this and it'll start doing the recording of your audio. And then same thing for webcam. Buttons, left side, top left, expressions. I'm going to scroll in and right click, scroll her up. You have your blink. You can look through these. Sorrow. Fun. Wow. Alright, cool. That's expression. You can also move this around the screen if you need to. I'm going to exit out of that. Open up the effects. I'm going to scroll out right here. They have different effects that you can set. There is the way to save scenes and stuff. So if you wanted to save her looking down like this, you can add current angle to list and then boom, it'll do that. Or I can do this, it's saved to that angle. Now I can save this angle. Ready to go. Exit out of that. Set background. This is important for OBS or whatever streaming thing you're using, right? If you want to use this character as green screen, you go from standard to custom color and then press the green box. Boom. Okay. Now here, you go to OBS. Alright, so boom. This is your OBS. We're going to make sure that our 3teen is launched. So we're going to open this up. I'm just going to walk you from beginning to VRM ready to go, and boom, you're making content, right? So you open up 3teen, you wait for it to open up, right? This is how it starts off default. Let's say I want to pop in my character. All right, I choose my character, boom. Next, I go up to the top right and make sure the voice is enabled. Then I click this little picture, go to custom background and press the green. So now it is preset, ready to go for green screen. Boom, back to OBS. Go to your sources, press this little plus button, and make sure you use the game capture. I called this one 3teen just to keep it safe. Mode, capture specific window, and then boom, 3teen. Alright, cool, okay. Now you have 3teen in your OBS, right? So, what I did here, you right click the 3teen and you click the filters button. So, you go to your filters, right? You press the little plus button and you go to chroma key. I called it green screen, but chroma key basically takes the color green away from whatever's in front of it. So now that you have the specific window 3teen chroma keyed, it is now just the Vipe avatar. You will see the buttons on the left and right here. I'm going to show you how to fix that real quick. So you right click the 3teen tab and press transform and edit transform. Here in the transform, you can crop. I like to do like around 150 pixels for each side. And then cool, that crops off all the little buttons on the side. Scale her up a little bit in OBS. And then when you find a good size in OBS, click the 3teen, open up 3teen, and you can move her around in 3teen. And like rotate, do whatever you need to do. But now your Vipe is ready to make content. Go out there. Love you. Hope this helped. Look at that. So proud of you. Bye.